Imagine standing in a crowd so massive you can't see where it ends. Millions of people, one stage, and a moment that becomes history. Today we're counting down the most crowded music concerts of all time, from unbelievable to absolutely legendary. Let's begin. Number 5. Lady Gaga, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil 2024. Attendance 2+ million. Modern pop history was made when Lady Gaga took over Copacabana Beach. Fans traveled from across South America to witness a visual and musical spectacle. Drones, lights, fashion, and sound turned the night into a global moment shared across social media in news headlines worldwide. Number 4. Jean-Michel Jarre, Paris, France 1990. Attendance 2.5 million. This wasn't just a concert, it was a futuristic dream. Skyscrapers became screens, fireworks lit the sky, and electronic music echoed across the city. Paris became a living, breathing stage as millions watched technology and music merge into something never seen before. Number 3. Jorge Ben Jor, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil 1993. Attendance 3 million. Brazil knows how to throw a party, and this proved it. Copacabana Beach became a massive dance floor with samba, funk, and joy filling the air. The energy was so powerful, people could feel the rhythm from miles away. Number 2. Jean-Michel Jarre, Moscow, Russia 1997. Attendance 3.5 million. Celebrating Moscow's 150th anniversary, this show turned the entire city into a concert hall. Lights, lasers, and sound systems covered massive areas. From bridges to rooftops, millions watched as music and history collided in one unforgettable night. Number 1. Rod Stewart, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil 1994. Attendance 4+ million. And here it is, the largest concert in recorded history. On New Year's Eve, Copacabana Beach transformed into a human ocean. Over 4 million people gathered to welcome the new year with one voice, one stage, and one unforgettable performance. This moment earned a Guinness World Record and remains unmatched to this day. From city parks to endless beaches, these concerts prove that music has the power to unite millions in a single moment. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit the like button, subscribe for more legendary music stories, and comment below, which concert would you have loved to attend?